Time to change things up a little bit. Where I've been.
Bring out the old basement bar in this.
Whatever, man. Choose your poison.
There's Mr. Saturn.
Just do it. Doesn't really matter at this point.
But everyone's gonna be Mr. Saturn. I'll be Fuel.
No one's gonna be Ness. Fuel.
Everyone's gonna be Ness. He's the best character.
Next to Ganondorf.
3, 2, 1, go!
Those yellow shorts.
Look at those bleeding eyes.
They're
as I
comfy.
stab them out.
They're comfy and easy to wear. Easy eyes this.
They're so dumb in the F. It's not a good F.
Ooh?
Yours.
Why?
I don't know. It's stupid.
He's ready to go.
He's ready to lose.
Alright. How do you feel about that?
Fuck.
Just stop knocking everything over.
What?
I might just stop knocking everything over. Captain knocks it all
I
over.
did it on purpose. You get
You get some fire! It's not even the mirror shield. What the hell is that?
It's a metal shield.
I don't give a shit. It's PK Flash. It kills
It's a
bosses.
projectile.
It's a random kill move that can kill a boss, but it can't break your shield. Been here before. 60% of the time, it works every time.
And that's not one of these times.
Just gotta get lucky with it once.
What?
Just gotta get lucky with it once.
At the beginning of a match.
That doesn't help. There's no damage. Giving yourself a little run here, aren't you?
What's that supposed to mean, Brett?
Means you're having some kind of run here for your money, for your rupees.
It's still money, Brett.
What's that? It's better. Compare
I'd rather
to
have
US.
rupees than money.
Yeah. Just shame. Yes. Shot. Damn, you've been hooking me up for the last minute.
What did I tell you?
Much.
Whoopsies.
Well, it almost went to here.
That it did. Almost.
Turn your
Time to camp.
yeah. I was gonna say something, but I figured. Why be the jerk to complain?
Why be the jerk in camp?
Just wanted to know.
I don't know why I even tried to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had the power to knock back a volcano and win. That'd be cool if I could smash. I forgot how.
You're the one who brought this upon us. If anyone loses in Smash, it's because of you. If anyone wins, it's because of you.
Link.
No. Just the hero of time went back and changed everything.
Changed it to be better. Anuses, same thing. Damn it.
Did you say anuses?
Yes. Multiple